yeah, we have a new furnace now. It's another KeepRite. It's pretty cool. Obviously not temperature-wise, otherwise, you know, that wouldn't make a very good furnace. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the little window on it so you can see the burners. That's one of the things that I'm gonna miss the most about the old one. Used to look into that little window all the time. But it has this weird triangle thing. That's cool, I guess. I don't know. Thumb screws are no longer a thing. Instead, it's these knobs. Apparently this is supposed to blink, which is kind of weird. I don't know why that is. The flue pipes are still the same ones. They just put in, you know, smaller ones because it's not a gigantic furnace. Filter is not getting sucked into the blower and getting totally destroyed like it was with the old one. So that's a huge step up. And of course, just like the old one, this is a condensing furnace. So you can see the condensate all running down there. Usually you can. Oh well, I'll go to the other side and then I can show you guys. Ow! I hit my head on this air exchanger. Whoops. Okay, so here you can see the condensate coming out of it now. Here's the spec sheet. You can see it's really, really new. You can barely even tell that it's running unless you stick your hand here. This thing is dead silent, almost. Now it sounds a lot more like the KeepRite at my grandparents' house. I was expecting this one to be that quiet, and well, I guess it is.